I'm Adam Jessica. I graduated from high school in 2020, and this is my second year at SCC. I hated doing online classes all last year, and that's why I'm happy to be on campus in the actual classroom. My major is film and broadcasting. I had that for 2 years in high school and would do the morning announcements for sports every day. And my dream is to become the first commentator with autism and show that anything is possible. My hobbies is anything about sports, like going to football and basketball games. I was on the basketball team all 4 years in high school, and I'm now the team manager for SEC basketball team. I took oceanography my senior year in high school and thought that was cool. I'm interested in learning more about storms and monsoon season in Arizona.